everybody, my name is Elisa Williams-Sinn and this is my webpage. Before I introduce myself a little bit more, I just want to let everybody know what is on my website. So on this homepage is just a little bit about me, a little introduction. Next is my resume, which is an extensive resume, so it includes some relevant coursework that I've done for my majors at NC State. And lastly is a paper on South Korean versus American culture. And the reason that I chose to write about this is because it's something that really interests me. So I wanted to share a little bit of what my interests were and kind of express that through a research paper. And the reason that I chose South Korea is because I actually visited the country in 2012 and I spent a little bit of time there. And what I really found interesting was how different the culture was from any other country that I've been to in Europe or South America or Central America. And so it really stuck with me even after I left, and especially because the culture is very new, since it's a nation that is being rebuilt still and is just starting to kind of hit its growth spurt. And it also is a major part of where our future is. So a lot of technical advances and the workforce is coming from South Korea. So I thought it was a really interesting thing to research, and I hope that you enjoy reading it. So a little bit about me. I am a senior at NC State University. I am majoring in both international relations and marketing. And the reason that I chose to do this double major was that we actually have a scholars program here at NC State called the Alexander Hamilton Scholars, and this is where you're dually enrolled in the College of Management as well as the College of Humanities and Social Science. So this means that I get to have a degree in business as well as in international studies, and for me a concentration in international relations, and for business a concentration in marketing. So this was my own way of kind of forming an international business degree here at NC State. And the reason that I really wanted to do international business is because I've always had a huge interest in traveling, exploring different cultures, different foods, everything. So being an Alexander Hamilton Scholar, you actually have to study abroad in order to graduate in good standing. So last semester I studied abroad in France, in northern France, in a city called Lille. And it was a really great experience. I got to take 12 courses that were master's level courses in marketing and international relations. And what was really cool about these is that they were a week long and they were really intensive, so 5 hours a day and an exam every Friday. So every week my professor was changing, and every week my professor was from a different country. So ironically enough, none of my professors were from France, but I did get to see the teaching styles of professors from Greece, Australia, Slovakia, Belgium, just a huge plethora, a different country every week, so 12 different countries. And one from the United States, which was kind of refreshing after, a while. And I came back in May and started an internship with Cisco, where I worked in their global business services, and more specifically in their business intelligence. And within business intelligence, I was in their client relationship management team, where I performed a stakeholder analysis and started formulating a stakeholder communication plan, as well as a project that goal was to uncover user personas within Cisco. So I got to have a marketing-based project and also an analytics-based project, because I had never really been exposed to anything that was heavily analytic, being a marketing and international relations major. So lucky for me, I actually got a full-time offer from Cisco, so that is where I will be working when I graduate from NC State, and I'm very excited. But anyways, I hope that you enjoy my website, and thanks for checking it out.